Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Lipstick I have on today. Can you believe it? Something that I normally never wear. It looks a little weird on me, I think. But today's video, I am testing some of the products that I got in this month's Boxy charm as well as last month's. This is the finished look. I had a couple hits and misses with a couple products, and yeah, I mean, the end result, I find it looks okay, but if you want to see what the hits and misses were, then keep on watching. First thing that I'm going to try out is the Color FX Blurring Primer. I've tried this twice, but I haven't gone as far as applying makeup. All I did was just try it on the skin just to see if I could see any blurring magic. And honestly, I think kind of. I'm going to go with this much. It might be a bit much. Maybe it'll be exactly what I need. But who knows? We shall see. I mean, I guess it does soften them a bit, but like I said, I have really bad pores, so it's really hard to find anything to fully make magic happen on my face. Okay, so that is on. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. So I have my foundation and my concealer on. For my foundation, I have been using the Rimmel London Lasting Finish 25 Hour. My shade right now is in 100 Ivory. I think it might just be like a little itty bitty bit light, but it works. And for concealer, I am using the IT Cosmetics by Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply some powder to my face. I'm going to use the Estetica face brush. And for my face powder, all I'm using is the Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder. This brush is very soft. It's not bad for powder. So now I'm going to go onto the eyes, and I'm going to use the ColourPop You Had Me at Hello eyeshadow palette. These are the shades right there. Now we're just going to wing it because I don't really have a look in mind. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here for the transition shade, and that is called Winning Ticket. Now I have already played with this palette a couple of times, so I can tell you that I do really like it. I love the shades that are in it. I love the mattes. This is my first ColourPop eyeshadow palette, and so far I am digging it. So I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of this shade, and that is called Want You Back. And I'm just going to put that in the crease just to kind of darken this up a bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my outer corners, and for that I'm going to use this shade right here, and that is called Look See. And then I'm just going to blend it out just to soften out the edges so it doesn't look so harsh. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to take the Mary Lou Manizer Illuminator. I'm just going to use that to highlight. This did not come from a Boxy charm. This came from one of my Itsy bags. I really do like it. I like to use it as my highlight. It looks alright. What I think I'm going to do is go back in with the, what was that one? Winning Ticket, which is the transition color that I used. And just kind of pop that right back up in there, just so you can kind of see it just a bit more. And then back with Look See, and I'm just going to take a tiny little bit again. I want to kind of bring it up a little bit. Now I'm just going to go in with a clean brush and just softly go and blend right around the edges. I think these shades are just so pretty. I love them. So now I'm just going to go and put a little bit of concealer right here to brighten that up and brighten up the shimmer shade that I'm going to use to put there. I'm just going to use my CoverGirl concealer. So now to decide what I want to use for the inner corners, I want it to be like pretty bright. I think I want to try this one. Using the Essence Instant Matte Makeup Setting Spray, I just gave my brush a little spritz. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and that is The Knot. And I'm just going to go ahead and just press it on. I think that looks really nice. I love this palette. I'm just going to go with the brush that I used to do the transition and just kind of soften the top part up a little bit. Not picking up any more shade, just using whatever was left on that brush. I'm just softening that out. Oh yeah, I think that looks so pretty. And then I'm gonna take the brush that I used to apply that corner of color and just kind of blending it in. Next thing we're gonna try is the Pretty Vulgar gel liner. I'm not good with gel liners, you guys. Oh, this might be an epic fail. We might get an epic fail video out of this. Okay, so let's just go with it. Okay, I was being a weenie for nothing. This isn't so bad. My only one issue, and that is a personal issue that I have with applying eyeliners, is I have skin tags on my eyelids, and they definitely get in the way of doing eyeliner, and it's a pain in the butt. But this, I find that I have a little bit more control, and it's a lot more softer, that I can get kind of like around them and, you know, work with them. Okay, so I can say right now that I really do like this. As long as you take your time, the brush is absolutely amazing to use. Very, very easy. And honestly, going over my skin tags on my eyelids, it's actually easier to use. So that's a bonus. I like that. And I find that with this stuff, I can get a heck of a lot closer to the lash line down here. I'm gonna finish this other eye off camera and I will be right back. So I have the eyeliner on. I kind of touched this side up a bit. I mean, they're totally not even. This one goes like way out that way more. This one kind of like comes up more. I find it dries pretty quickly. It's not transferring, and it's good. I really, really like it. I do find it is easy to use. So I like it, and I'm definitely going to be using it again. And now I'm just going to go off camera and apply my mascara. And for that, I am using the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. So I went ahead and I put on my mascara. I also went ahead and did my brows because the Brow Gal, like I said, is too dark. I did try it on my hand right there, and I mean, that's it right there. That would have been a little too dark. Even this, I feel like it's almost too dark, but I feel like it does match my hair color, so I go with it. Now we're gonna go ahead and try the Per Sculptor highlighting and contouring palette. Now the contouring shades are a little scary looking, but let's just go with this one because I do just want to try it. It smells really good. Do you know what it smells like? Is that Too Faced, what was it, Chalk Soleil contouring bronzer something rather, that thing. I wanted to try the brush just to see what it's like, where it's bigger and fluffier, if it might be able to blend it out more, and I could work with it. We shall see. I'm kind of actually impressed that it really doesn't look that dark, or am I like just blind? Is it the lighting? I'm not sure. That just left like a big old dark spot right there. So you definitely just want to use, if you're gonna use it, see now. Okay, so no, fluffy brush I'm thinking is not the way to go. Let's see if this one will work. That is not blending out. Go away. What in the world? So I felt like right here it went on pretty smoothly. We got some problems happening up here. It doesn't look like it wants to blend out. I thought it might have just been the first brush that I was using. I thought I'd be able to work with it, and I mean, I still think I could maybe in the summertime, but I'm not really liking how it's not really blending too well. But we'll go with it. So now we're gonna go in with the same palette and use the Originator. Yeah, I'm gonna pop that right there. Oh, that's pretty. So there is the highlight. I really, really like that. That is the Originator shade. That is really, really pretty. Now we're gonna go in for my blush, and I'm just gonna use the Tarte. This is Feisty Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. That is the shade right there. And what I want to just do too before I finish up is I just want to kind of sharpen the cheeks up a bit. So I'm just going to take my sponge and the powder there, and I'm just going to go like that. Don't really leave it on too long, and then I just go ahead and get that off. Now I just need to do the lips, and I just put a little bit of lip seal on. Normally it would just be that and away I go, but since I am testing everything, I figured I would test the lip products that I got. So we got these two. This is April's, this was May's, and April's I believe was really dark, and I don't know if I want to try that one today. So these are the two shades. This one is the Adidas New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick. This one came in last month's Boxy Charm. I'm not going to try that one on my lips today. We're going to go with this one by Beauty Creations and Boxy Charm, and it's the Long Wear Matte Lip Gloss. Wow. Boom. Okay. Whoa. So as you guys know from watching my videos, I don't wear lipstick of like any kind. I very, very rarely wear lipstick. I just find that I look so awkward in it. It's sticky. I hate that. That drives me nuts already. Like, I don't know. Can you guys see, like, it's sticky. So I'm trying to take off that lipstick. Can you guys, like, tell? It's, like, hard as anything to get off. It is so hard to get off of your lips. Like when I first took my makeup wipe and started to rub it, it was like stuck to it and it wouldn't really move. It is just absolutely difficult to wipe off your lips. And now, I mean, it's kind of like it's smudged and it looks really bad. So I'm not a fan of that lip gloss at all. It was driving me nuts. My lips were just completely sticking and it was not enjoyable. So that is a definite no thank you for me. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this up, and yeah, bye.